The aim of this practical is preparation of 20 ml of compound sodium chloride injection IP 1996. So for doing this experiment in the lab, we have to follow this procedure. Before doing the experiment, we have to wash all the apparatus that are used for doing this experiment. We have to sterilize the dried bottle. So this is very important, because we have to properly dry the glass bottle, because if there is any contamination, any foreign particle is attached in that bottle, then it is very difficult to perform this experiment. So we have to properly dry that glass bottle. So the second point, that is sterilize the dried bottle in the autoclave at 120 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. That is the minimum temperature for the autoclave. Now weigh the required quantity of sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and then dissolve in water for injection to make the solution up to the required volume. Now we have to filter the above prepared solution with the filter paper, and now fill the after doing the filtration, we have to fill that filtrate into the sterilized glass bottle. Okay, and then we have to sterilize the filled and sealed glass bottle by autoclaving at 120 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. So this is the procedure for doing this experiment. So the reagent basically needed for perform this experiment, that is sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride. These three are the main reagent for doing this experiment. And besides this, these three reagent, we have also needed water for injection. We can also use distilled water. So basically the sodium chloride, it is the chemical name of for the salt. It is an electrolyte that regulates the amount of water in our body, and it plays an important part in the nerve transmission also. So sodium chloride has important uses in various areas. And coming to calcium chloride, it is an inorganic compound, a salt with the chemical formula of CaCl2. It is a white colored crystalline solid at room temperature, and it is highly soluble in water. It can be treated by neutralizing hydrochloric acid with calcium hydroxide. So this potassium chloride, it has also has various uses in different areas. Now coming to calcium chloride, I have already told about the calcium chloride. Now coming to potassium chloride, it is also a metal halide salt composed of potassium and chlorine. It is odorless and has a white or colorless vitreous crystal appearance. The solid dissolves radially in water, and its solution have a salt-like taste. And it could be obtained from ancient dried lake deposits. So basically these are some overview of sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and calcium chloride. So by follow this procedure, we have to perform this experiment in the laboratory.